mechanisms. I broke down the electricity conductors in my last live. All right, and you are nothing but electricity. You break down the atoms and protons. You're not supposed to eat meat because you are electricity. You're supposed to eat nothing but energy, photons, just like the sun do. We are plant, so we're supposed to have an alkaline plant-based diet. That's why they say you're supposed to have a plant-based diet, because they're not telling your ass that your body is like a plant. It's electricity. All right, so we went through that already. Okay, I broke down the frequency wars. If you ain't catch it, go back and catch it. But for us to understand that they have spells on us, you have to understand that these people, the human beings in power, along with your reptilian draconians, because your regular human beings are your white people and your Asians that live amongst you, that you see every day. They go to work. All they do is give them privilege because they are still a part of the human being species. This is why they make sure to at the least give them privilege over you. This is why your whole life, you noticed it. Let's be real, y'all. Asians, Caucasians, Asians, Arabs, Dravidians, and Mexicans have received better treatment than Latinos and African, quote unquote, so-called African Americans. Okay? So at the basis of it, they're gonna at least, you feel me? They're gonna at least give their species privilege. But those Asians and those human beings we see every day that walk amongst us, they don't control or run anything. All right? The ones controlling and running everything, I keep telling y'all, are your politicians, all your people in power, and those are your draconian reptilians. Okay, so for us to really understand these spells, we have to learn more about witchcraft. We have to find out actually what is witchcraft, okay? Because the only time you're going to get into spelling is when you're talking about witchcraft, and you need to realize that the English language that you're speaking has trained you to be a witch, but only to bewitch yourself and bewitch our own race by speaking negative things over each other and toward each other, not recognizing this technology. Remember, I told y'all the only people that have access to this technology are the gods, not the human beings or the draconian reptilians. Okay, they have the power to shapeshift, but they do not have the power of the tongue. All right, and the power of the thought. They don't have that power. All right, they don't have that in them. Okay, so let's look at what is witchcraft. All right, and these are actual books, people. So if you see a picture right here, that's a book. I advise you to go research. All right, you can run from it. You can be scared all you want, because that fear is exactly why the fuck we don't know who we are. All right, but I'm breaking down today this time spell, and once I break it down, everything gonna make sense to y'all. I promise y'all it is. Let's keep it going. Okay, so what is witchcraft? When human beings, we know who the human beings are, people. White people. Let's call them by their species name. Caucasians, Asians, Arabs, Mexicans, and Dravidians, okay? So when human beings learn the ancient mystery arts, but then use them for negative gain, this is called witchcraft, and it's the opposite of Wicca, okay? Let me run that back. And there go a book right there, A History of Witchcraft, of Magic, Witchcraft, and the Occult. All right? I already broke down earlier how the occult represents the unknown, okay? And the reason a lot of us as blacks and Latinos don't know anything, all right, is because we run away from it. Not all of us, but a lot of us did, all right? But I'm going to expose how this all plays in with this time spell, because what was Satan's greatest trick, y'all? Fooling the whole world that he didn't exist. Keep in mind, human beings can't create nothing, so how are they writing all these books about this shit? How are they formulating all these movies and writing all these scripts? They don't create anything. They don't have a soul. I'm not being racist. I don't support racism. This channel, we don't support racism. I'm speaking about the anatomy of human beings' bodies, all right? They don't have a soul, so they can't create. This is why they can't dance on beat, catch beats. They can't be creative. I can go on and on about why. I'm just being honest. This is why they stole everything from slavery. They didn't tell you why. I'm telling you scientifically why. All right? Just like I broke down in my last lecture about the mitochondrial DNA, the Eve gene. The black woman and the Latino woman are the only ones that can procreate. All right? Asians, Caucasians, all right? None of them can procreate. All right, they had to splice with the genome of the original goddess, which is the blacks, and now they call them blacks and Latinos to divide us amongst each other. Okay, black people, that includes your so quote unquote called Africans as well. Okay, And if anybody's confused. So I'm giving y'all this live is all scientific research. This isn't coming from, any emotion. All right? Let's keep going, man. All right. So keep in mind, when human beings learn the ancient mystery arts, but then use them for negative gain, this is called witchcraft. And it's the opposite of Wicca. Remember, y'all, I taught y'all that we are gods and that their god is Zeus. What was Zeus' name in religion? Satan. So remember how they taught us about them in their own religious book. The Bible is their book. Remember that. All right. We religion. We before time and all that. Okay. So remember, they are Satan's children, Satan's creation. Satan, other name was Zeus. Okay. Facts. These are real facts. Okay. So Satan is against what, y'all? He's against God, ain't he? He's against nature, right? He's against God. He's against nature, correct? Right? So this is beings created us. They are against who? God, which is us in nature. This is why they destroyed our trees. They destroyed the essence of us. Even our physical forms, destroyed our whole planet. We was on the 33rd dimension as a planet when they came. Now we knocked us all the way down to the 3rd dimension. Everything changed about us, even physically, animals, everything. I know y'all heard the stories about the giants, right? But they don't tell you why there aren't any more giants. You're looking at the giants. We still here, but we are smaller now because we are lower in frequency. Okay? Go back and look at my frequency wars. As you rise in frequency, things get bigger. We were in higher frequencies then because we were on a higher dimension. This is scientific fact. Okay? So keep in mind, we stay focused on what witchcraft is so that y'all can know that they've been casting these spells. Incantations. Your words are spells, people. All right? So when human beings, white people, learn the ancient mystery arts. So the ancient mystery art meaning we are ancient. This is something we was doing before they even came here. But they took it and inverted it and used it for a negative gain. That is called witchcraft. All right? And they have been using witchcraft on us since they invaded us. And it's not nothing light. It's very powerful because witchcraft deals with the energy and the electricity and the magnetism of the planet and the planet around you. Everything around you has an electromagnetic field, which is called the aura, including the planet. All right? So it's not no fucking game. I know y'all grandma told y'all stories. You heard them down south stories about how people could get a hold of your hair and this and that and this and that, but you never understood why. Oh, I'm breaking all of that down tonight. Stay tuned. Stay here. This all has to do with the time spell. Because you got to know and be aware of these spells that these human beings, the ones in power, along with the draconian reptilian, their allies, have been using to keep us at a low frequency. Let's keep it going, though. All right? So, when human beings learn the ancient mystery arts, that means when they learn our shit, this is ancient mystery arts that we've been using, that these motherfuckers came and landed, invaded, and took over and took from us after we taught it to them. All right, they used our ancient technology against us. That's where the whole story of the motherfucking pilgrims come from with the Indians. Okay, yeah, we was them Indians, but they not telling the real story. But the far as the essence of that story of coming and us helping them and us and them using what we taught them against us, yeah, they did that. Okay, so when human beings learn the ancient mystery arts, but then use them for negative gain, this is called witchcraft, and it's the opposite of Wicca. Okay, now let's find out. Now that we know what witchcraft is, right? Because I'm telling y'all, they've been using witchcraft on y'all and on us to keep us, all right, to keep us at the level we was at. So, in this frequency war, right? So, now that we know that witchcraft is nothing more than an ancient mystery art that your ancestors used. This is how we was building the pyramids mentally, all right? Ancient mystery arts, all right? But they call it witchcraft, right? To keep you and I away from our powers that are part of our technology that they don't even have full access to, all right? They can only do so much because they are electricity. I'm talking about your human beings. And the draconian reptilians are an extraterrestrial race that can't do shit without them, which is why they use the human beings to conquer us, okay? They can't do nothing without them, all right? They need them too. So, now, when they use our ancient mystery arts for negative gain, which they have been doing, this is called witchcraft, people. And that is the opposite of Wicca, okay? So if you never heard of Wicca, witchcraft and Wicca are two different things. Now let's find out what Wicca is, all right? Let's keep it going. Let's keep the PowerPoint going. Wicca, there go a book. Wicca, Book of Spells and Witchcraft for Beginners, okay? Keep in mind this book was written by human beings. Never mind that word, because remember, this was written by human beings. They want to integrate the two, all right, to keep you fooled from the witchcraft they really been fucking doing, all right? So, what is Wicca? All right? Wicca is one of the ancient mystery arts created by the gods, used as a positive way to conjure up or manifest alternate realities. Only the gods, Black/Latinos, can master this ancient art. Okay? Let me run that back by y'all. I just told y'all what Wicca is, okay? And I'm going to show you how your ancestors used it. And how you've been thinking that Wicca, witchcraft, and voodoo and all that bullshit is bullshit that you ain't supposed, that's evil. They told you it was evil to keep you away from it. But they using it against you for evil, all right? But it's just one of the many ancient powers that the blacks and Latinos have within them. Let's keep the lecture going, all right? Subscribe to the YouTube channel below if you want to donate to the Cash App because you feeling like you learning something. A lot of y'all said y'all wanted to. Feel free to do it. If you don't want to donate, the keyword is donate. All right? Because this is coming to you for free. You're getting it. You ain't got to order no book. You ain't got to wait for it. It's here right here for you, okay? So don't let that donate word scare you away. That's our option. Anywhere it go, you're going to get this. You're going to get this work that you need to get. You feel me? Because we ain't come to fuck around today. All right? Now, Wicca, ancient mystery arts created by the gods, used as a positive way to conjure. All right, let's conjure, people. Let's get out the PowerPoint for a second. Let's go to Google. Let's see what conjure mean. All right, what is conjure? Cause see, they had a scary movie they came out with called The Conjuring. That had your ass thinking it's evil. I thought it was evil too, but it's not. Let's go. What we at? What's going on? Oh, okay, my bad. I put it in the wrong place, people. My bad. Bear with me. We in class right now. This real class, y'all. This class live from your house. Come on, Google, don't do that. Here we go. Okay. Now, let's go back to the PowerPoint. What is Wicca? Wicca is one of the ancient mystery arts created by the gods. So this is what the ancient Egyptians was using. The people in Kemet was using. Your ancestors used. They knew the power of incantation, so they knew the power of speaking things into existence. They would use it to manifest and create alternate realities. And only the gods, the blacks and Latinos, keyword blacks and Latinos, can master this ancient art. This is why to this day, human beings have not figured out how to rebuild the goddamn pyramids, okay? They know how to rebuild the pyramids. They know what was used to rebuild the pyramids, but I'm saying they can't do it because they don't have access to that technology, because they don't have carbon. They have melanin. Created by Zeus, which was one of us. Now, Zeus is carbon. Zeus, he had a lot of names. Zeus, Satan, Marduk, Prometheus, all right? Yakub, names. But he was a black person. He was a black brother. His skin was like ours, me and you, black Latino. Because these pigmentations was originally copper. We was blue, green, and red, okay? But that's another that's another lesson for another day, all right? But I got that ready for y'all too coming up, but let's keep it going. So, keep in mind, people, that conjure, Wicca is one of the ancient mystery arts created by the gods, used as a positive way to and the slaves did this a lot during slavery. This is where a lot of slave revolts come from, all right? Used as a positive way to conjure up or manifest, okay? So let's look up conjure. Let's not run from that word because, see, they came out, they so fucking cold, y'all. They so cold, right? Because they studied us for so long. They came out with a movie called The Conjuring, scared the shit out of me. I liked the movie too, right? When I used to watch horror movies before I found out about the technology and how they program us through the retinas, I started watching horror movies, all right? And I would advise you to do so too. Straight demonic energy, facts, all right? But conjure, they got us thinking it's something negative. Let me show y'all what it really means, and this is Google. Y'all can do the same stuff y'allself. Google clearly says conjure means to call upon or ghost to appear by means of why they like that? There go that word again, y'all. Magic ritual, okay? They like to throw magic out there, and I'm going to be exposing and breaking down in the PowerPoint what magic is and how it's real, okay? So I want to keep pointing, that's why I keep pointing out magic to y'all. But I want y'all to focus on